2018 Kia Soul Review. The Kia Soul is a great alternative on the growing crop of tiny SUVs. When it debuted with the 2010 model year, the Kia Soul was tricky to classify. Was it a hatchback, a wagon, or anything else entirely? In recent years we have seen a growing variety of so-called subcompact crossover SUVs that offer the elevated seating height and enhanced cargo capacity of larger models, though with a lower price tag. Really, they are so much like the Soul in concept. Maybe we are able to add trendsetter towards the Soul's number of attributes. Yet, the 2018 Kia Soul is much more appealing than its newfound competitors in certain ways. It features a roomier interior, with greater cargo and backseat space versus the often cramped competition that deserves the name subcompact. Its crash scores are exemplary. It's also provided with more power than its rivals, rather than just the 201 horsepower turbocharged engine based in the range-topping Exclaim. Trim level. The mid-range engine carries a better than most 161 horsepower, too. And then there is the Soul's number of comfort, convenience and infotainment items at a price that undercuts those little SUVs considerably. You could get a great deal more for your money by opting for your Soul. Unfortunately, something you can't get is all-wheel drive. That's something those subcompact SUVs typically offer. Its fuel economy, irrespective of engine, also disappoints. That should be of particular concern if you're searching at the sole fat loss of a compact car alternative. On the whole, however, the Soul is definitely an attractive little insert vehicle kind of your choice here, which should be a fashionable yet value-rich addition for your garage. What's new? The Soul gets much more equipment for 2018. The base trim's convenience package now features Kia's Uvo infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also automatic climate control. Uvo is additionally now standard for the Soul Plus trim. Buyers with a Plus may add new packages called Primo and Primolit, such as the mid-range Soul Plus. It's a bargain, yet comes nicely furnished with just about all you will likely need or enjoy, including a computerized transmission plus the 7-inch Uvo infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Its 2.0-litre engine is noticeably more powerful compared to base Soul's 1.6-litre engine. Another nice aspect from the Plus could be the array of possibilities. While you could invest in a stock Plus for your budget play, all things in Kia's upgrade arsenal is accessible should you want it, including heated and ventilated power-adjustable front seats, a Harman Kardon sound system plus the latest advanced driver safety aids. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Kia Soul can be acquired in 3 trim levels: Base, Plus Plus and Exclaim. Each has a different engine. An automatic transmission is standard about the Plus and Exclaim and optional within the base Soul, which features a 6-speed manual. The base trim comes standard, which is a 1.6-litre 4-cylinder engine, 130 horsepower, 118 pound-feet of torque, 16-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, aircon, a height-adjustable driver seat, 6,040 split-folding rear seats, Bluetooth, as well as a 6-speaker head unit with a USB port and satellite radio. The convenience package automatic transmission only adds automatic headlights, automatic climate control, a rear view camera, and also the Uvo Tech interface, which includes a 7-inch touchscreen and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone integration. The Soul Plus includes the convenience package content and adds a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 161 horsepower, 150 lb-ft, a 6-speed automatic transmission, 17-inch wheels, fog lights, heated mirrors, keyless entry, selectable drive modes, upgrade cloth upholstery, a rear center armrest and also a cargo cover. The Soul Exclaim adds a 60-minute 6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder 201 horsepower, 195 lb-ft, a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission, 18-inch wheels, upgraded exterior trim gloss black and red accents, upgraded gauges and interior trim, a mixture of cloth and leather seat upholstery, a leather-wrapped tire, and keyless ignition and entry. The Plus is provided by a quantity of optional packages. The audio package has an 8-inch touch screen, navigation, the Exclaim trim's upgraded interior materials, keyless ignition and entry, 2 USB ports, LED speaker lights along with a Harman Kardon premium subwoofer. The designer's package adds 18-inch wheels, the leather-wrapped steering wheel as well as a 2-tone roof treatment. You will also have the Plus having a Primo package that includes a panoramic sunroof, power folding mirrors, the Exclaim trim's upgraded gauges, heated and ventilated 8-way power adjustable front seats with driver lumbar adjustment, heated rear seats, a heated controls, leather upholstery, along with a suite of driver assistance systems which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot and lane departure warning, along with a forward collision warning system with automatic emergency braking. To all of the Primo LED package tacks on xenon headlights and LED running lights. The Soul Exclaim is provided with a technology package that effectively includes everything it does not what you have in the Plus Primo LED package. The exceptions will be the panoramic sunroof, that is added separately, and leather upholstery, which isn't at all trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The S on this review user evaluation of any 2017 Kia Soul Exclaim. Turbo 1.6 liters inline 4, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, FWD. Driving. Most drivers won't have to have the added power through the Kia Soul Exclaim's turbo engine, however, there is no doubt any driver will be thankful. We were astonished at how entertaining and capable this boxy little car is on a twisting road, which results in a more confident ride it under sporty drivers. Acceleration. The Plus trim's standard engine has more guts than most competitors' power plants, plus the Exclaim's turbo engine really are not matched. Right off the fishing line, you will find there's little hesitation, but power builds steadily to highway speeds. Sport mode sharpens response. Braking. The brake pedal is appropriately firm and to modulate. With more aggressive braking, your vehicle remains poised and controllable. The brakes remain strong despite if repeated use. Steering. The steering effort feels right in any way speeds. It lightens up at parking area speeds and gets heavier as speeds increase. There's a good to feel to hold you tracking straight within the highway for effortless driving. Handling. The Kia Soul is surprisingly agile and, dare we say, even fun over a winding road. It takes somewhat getting used to, nevertheless, you can drive it more difficult than you'd expect. Driveability. The turbocharged Exclaim includes a dual-clutch automatic transmission which might be annoyingly hesitant in traffic. Otherwise, is actually other trims, the Soul is quite easy to drive with assurance whether commuting, maneuvering inside a tight spot or blasting along a chuckle roads. Comfort. The Soul rides a bit stiffer than other SUVs, however it is far from to be a deal-breaker. Even on long drives you're unlikely to feel fatigued. Seat comfort. Despite having only basic adjustments, leading seats are comfy after several hours around the road. The rear seats are just a little firm and flat in contrast. Ride comfort. The Soul's suspension could be the same no matter trim level. The ride quality is stiffer in contrast to other compact SUVs, but even on really rough roads, it's really objectionable. Wheel size does really make a difference, so test drive different trims. Noise and vibration. Wind and road noise is often present, however it's not so loud it becomes intrusive. Under more aggressive acceleration, the engine can get a bit loud, nonetheless it sounds great for a 4-cylinder. Climate control. The single-zone automatic climate control is all too easy to use. Once set, rarely should be adjusted. Interior. There's plenty of plastic through the entire interior, however the panels are nicely grained and feel substantial. Any spots that you simply regularly touch or rest your elbows on are padded. Really, it's much better than most. Ease beneficial. Primary controls, together with buttons and knobs for secondary systems, are very well labeled and straightforward to operate. Getting back and jetting out. The tall doors and slightly taller ride height make entering and out on the Kia Soul a cinch, even just in tight spots. Driving position. You sit taller within the Soul than in a very sedan, and not quite as high as inside a typical compact SUV. It's an excellent compromise, giving you a great view with the road. Roominess. Generally the Soul has more room than subcompact SUV competitors. Its cabin feels big and spacious, even though you ignore its relatively small footprint. The rear seats are especially spacious, with lots of head and legroom for taller passengers. The panoramic sunroof raises the sense of space. Visibility. The rear roof pillars are pretty thick, but overall outward visibility is fantastic. There's no guesswork when backing into a spot, and you also won't ought to rely too much for the rear view camera. Quality. Materials used in construction are slightly greater than expected to get a car as of this price. Even better materials and nicer seat upholstery can be located in the top. Exclaim trim is actually the Plus Primo package. Utility. The Soul's boxy shape allows it to create the most available space. Cargo capacity is much better than in most subcompact SUV competitors, though space aft from the back seat continues to be only so-so. Interior storage may be better. Small item storage. Bins, pockets and cup holders are adequate and not particularly generous or clever. Other vehicles offer many larger storage areas, and also thoughtful solutions for phones and items. Cargo space. There's approximately 19 cubic feet of cargo room behind the corner seats if products are piled on the top. Capacity increases to 61 cubic feet using the seats folded, but they also don't fold flat. It's greater than most hatchbacks and subcompact SUVs, plus it even beats some compact SUVs. Technology. Kia exceeds expectations in relation to technology. A lot of features are designed into the touchscreen infotainment system, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be easy to reach and operate. Response time is immediate, plus the optional sound system delivers a solid punch. Audio and navigation. The optional Harman Kardon head unit sounds great and is very easy to operate. Similarly, the navigation advantages from sharp screen resolution as well as simple-to-watch graphics. The mix of physical and on-screen buttons makes switching between systems simple and quick. Smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included while using Uvo 3 touchscreen interface. That's optional within the base trim and standard on everybody else. One USB port is standard, and a couple are optional. Driver aids. Lane departure and blind spot warning systems are packaged along with adaptive cruise control along with a forward collision warning with automatic emergency foot brake.
Bye.